Hello everyone, welcome to Java's Sumro Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. Hello friends, welcome to Java's Sumro Productions. In this video, I will show you how to edit your audio in Adobe Audition like a pro. I'm going to use this voice sample for the demonstration. Let's bring this into Adobe Audition. Audition will take some time to read this file. It depends on the length of your audio. See this. The audio waveform is actually stereo, but my camera settings recorded this audio as mono. But don't worry, recording in mono is actually better than the stereo. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Sumro Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. So the first step is to convert the audio sample from stereo to mono. Go to Favorites, then click on Convert to Mono. If you don't have these options in your favorites, then unfortunately you need to reinstall Adobe Audition. Then these options will be back. Second step. Open Effects Rack panel. This panel lies over here. If you cannot find this panel anywhere on your workspace, go to Window and then Effects Rack. Shortcut key is Alt-0. The good part about this effect rack is that we can toggle between the effects anytime we want. So later, if we don't want any effects on the audio, we can simply turn off the power stage from here. Third step, click on the arrow of the first effect. Go to Noise Reduction and Restoration. Choose Adaptive Noise Reduction. If you get this message, simply click OK. From the presets, choose Default Settings. See, your first effect lies over here. Let's turn on the power stage and play the audio. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Sumro Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. You can hardly hear any noise. Now, if I turn off this power stage, hear this background noise. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Sumro Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. You can toggle between the states anytime you want. So, I will keep it on. Fourth step, add the new effect. Go to Filter and EQ. Choose Parametric Equalizer. From Presets panel, you can leave it default if you want. However, I usually use Voice Enhancer. Choose Voice Enhancer. See this weird curve. This HP, L, and these numbers are frequency bands. Basically, with the help of these pins, you can control the amount of audio that you want to boost or cut. This also allows you to manage how much these cuts affect the neighboring frequencies. Keep in mind, this curve works different for everyone. You can actually keep these bands or remove them if you want, by simply clicking on these bands. Now, due to time shortage, I will cover this topic in some other tutorial. I am going to leave it like this. Let's play the audio. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Sumro Productions. Today I am going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. You won't feel much difference. Let's change the curve a little bit. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Sumro Productions. Today I am going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Sumro Productions. Today I am going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. Hello everyone. See, as I move these bands, there is a change in audio's bandwidth. So let's keep it as it was. If you don't want this effect, simply click on this arrow and choose Remove Effect. Or you can simply press Delete. However, I want to keep this effect, so I am bringing it back. Fifth step, Go to Amplitude and Compression. Choose Dynamic Processing. Now, what does this effect do? Basically, it reduces the low-level signals to increase the dynamic range. By default, you will have this straight graph. Let's play this audio. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Raw Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. See, you hear no difference. Now, let's choose voiceover. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Raw Productions. Here that my audio sounds not so good. So, I'm going to drag this graph until it sounds good. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing. It controls the loudness of the audio. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Raw Productions. Today, for demonstration, let's manually apply this effect on the audio. I'm going to Effects and choosing Dynamic Processing. Let's choose voiceover and click Apply. Let me zoom in for you. You see, note down this waveform. Now, as I undo this effect, see, the low-level waveforms reduce themselves to its original level. And if I redo this effect, see, the low-level waveforms expanded. I'm going to keep it this way. Once you are done, you can simply test your audio. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Raw Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. Then convert the audio into stereo. Go to Window and choose Convert to Stereo. Let's play the audio again. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Raw Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. This sounds really good. Now, let's normalize this audio. What this effect actually do is, it adjusts the audio level to meet the target level. Let's go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression. Choose Normalize. This has no impact on the quality of your audio. You can select either the percentage or the decibels, whichever suits you. In my case, I usually keep percentage to 50%, or if I need decibels, then I will simply keep it between -1 decibels and 0 decibels. Let's write -1 decibels. See, the audio level of our audio does not cross -1 decibels. The maximum audio peaks were leveled up to touch the -1 decibels threshold. This is how it works. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Raw Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. Now, just export your audio. Or else, you can simply click on Apply these effects. Then you can add new effects. But note, once you apply these effects, they cannot be changed later. Now, this is my audio with the effects. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Raw Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. And this is the audio without the effects. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Raw Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you to learn professional voice editing in Adobe Audition. To see more tutorials like this, subscribe me now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share it with your friends. If you don't want to miss any of my future tutorials, make sure that you had clicked on notification bell icon. I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care. Hello everyone. Welcome to Java's Raw Productions. Today I'm going to teach you professional voice editing in Adobe Audition.